Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, see me see trouble. Am I a Yahoo boy? So in Yoruba land we say nkan tí owó bá ṣe tì ilẹ̀ ló ń gbé. So anything that money cannot solve is not worthy of anything. That is effectively the translation. So with that guys, I bring you this. Mompha returns to Instagram after his release from EFCC custody, says he is not a Yahoo boy. So see me see trouble. Am I a Yahoo boy? So that's the headline. Mompha returns to Instagram after his release from EFCC custody, says he's not a Yahoo boy. And there's a video clip of this as well. So please watch this particular video in full because I'll be inserting a video of this guy in the course of this video. But let's first see what he has to say or what the narrative is. Ismaila Mustafa aka Mompha has returned to Instagram after his release from EFCC custody. He fulfilled his bail conditions yesterday, Monday, December the 9th. It's been reported earlier that Mompha, who was arraigned by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC on 14 charges bordering on fraud, money laundering, and running a foreign exchange business without the authorization of the Central Bank of Nigeria CBN, was granted a 100 million naira bail on Friday, November the 29th. He was on Instagram Live this afternoon celebrating his freedom with friends, singing to Naira Marley's song, Am I a Yahoo boy? Of course. Mompha said he's not a Yahoo boy. So now the video clip, of course, shall follow on now. I'll insert that here. So now, apparently, allegedly, this guy is not even apparent or alleged. This guy has actually now been released. This is a guy, of course, that the EFCC were priming and peacocking that they had arrested and sending a signal to the Yahoo boys in Nigeria and internationally that they are on their heels. But of course, as I said, in Kotowo Basheti Ile Longbe, that is a Yoruba adage that money is the panacea to everything. So this guy has now been set a bail condition for 100 million naira, which is the Showore level bail condition. So this guy has just then reached into his left pocket and handed them 100 million naira and is on his way, singing and joshing with his friends, singing, Am I a Yahoo boy? I'm not a Yahoo boy. So the laughability, and by the way, this Mompha, a lot of people are of the thought that is the conduit, is the bagman for a lot of corrupt people within the Nigerian system. So there's a political leverage behind him as well. Apparently, allegedly, that is, and that is according to rumors. So it serves interest for him not to be in custody because, of course, he has a lot of things to say about a lot of people. And of course, it is now that leverage now that has now enabled him now to just walk out of the EFCC custody, having been celebrated as one of their marquee arrests by the EFCC not more than a few weeks ago. So now this is now the latest development in terms of this Mompha character and the goings on within the Nigerian space. Because if you imagine, this is a guy that has no real known means of income. This is a man that is not known for this being his business or anything being his business, because of course the armed robbers, the drug dealers, the Yahoo people and all of these criminals within the Nigerian space always go under one tag and one tag only. I am a businessman. That is what they tell you and tell everybody, because businessman, of course, is a catch-all. An armed robber will tell you that is a businessman, and he will go and they will say, it is God that is doing it. And it's always the same narrative, by the way, within the Nigerian space. All these people of no known means of income displaying wealth that is quite worrisome, and saying that they are businessmen and their newfound and unaccounted for wealth, they attribute it to it is God, it is God. So now, of course, when they now catch them and they put them in mamugari, in bangles, in handcuffs, then of course, then it will go from it is God, it is God's blessing, to the devil made me do it. I have not yet seen a criminal arrested in Nigeria paraded in front of the cameras who has not yet said that the devil made him do it. So that devil really is the person that the Nigerian government really needs to arrest, because it seems to be at the backbone of everything that is wrong with that country. Because as soon as they catch them, when they don't catch them, they'll be going around their community throwing dollars up in the air and saying it is God, it is God. But as soon as they catch them, of course, the devil made me do it. Conversations in the comment section. Mompha is now walking the streets as a free man. See me see trouble. Am I a Yahoo boy? See me see trouble. Am I a Yahoo boy? According to Naira Marley, and now according to Mompha. Come share thoughts about this rather funny thing. We all predicted that this would happen, so nobody is caught off guard by this, because it's of course Nigeria, and money, as I said, is the panacea to everything. So come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this Mompha guy being released from prison in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join me in the comment section, but here I say peace.